Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, thank you guys. Today we learn about report text. Do you know what is report text before? Do you know guys?
I don't know, Miss.
Okay, so we will learn about report text today, and we will study about the definition of report text, structure text, language feature of report text, and example of report text. So the next is definition. Report text is a type of document written by someone or group of people to announce the result of an investigation or announce something to the proper authorities. So the information given in a report text is very general information. And then generally, report text describe the way things are referenced to a range of natural, man-made and social phenomena in our environment, such as planets, rocks, plants, countries of religion, culture, transportation, and so on. The next is the purpose of report text. The purpose of the report text is to present information about something generally. Then is the differences between descriptive and report text. What is the difference between descriptive and report text? Report and descriptive text have similarities and in the social function and generic structure. However, if they are analyzed carefully, the slight difference between the two types will reveal. The purpose of the two texts are to give the live description of the object or participant. Both of the report and a descriptive text try to show rather than tell the readers about the factual, and a descriptive text try to show rather than tell the readers about the factual condition of the object. So what makes difference between report and descriptive text is the scope of the written object. If we talk about like bicycle, it belongs to a report text. It will talk about bicycle in general in terms of its parts, bicycle strength and function for certain people or other general character of bike. In the other hand, descriptive text will convey more focus. For example, my bicycle or my cat with its specific character such as color, length, and more. So, a report text describes the way of certain things and frequently refer to phenomena of nature, animal, and scientific object. Mostly, a report is written after getting careful observation. The scientific and technical sense makes clear difference from descriptive text. The way of descriptive text in showing thing is based on the objective fact of the thing. It's described the specific thing simply as the thing is. So the next is the language feature. The language feature of report text in general nouns is a word that's referred to show something in general. For example, lions are wild. In this sentence, the lions in question is any lion in general, not specific to one particular lion. Then is verbs. Verbs used in report text that can describe the state of the object and or indicate ownership. For example, birds have wings. This is representing ownership, or an elephant is a big animal. The third is simple present tense. In simple present tense is to state a general truth or scientific fact. For example, a baby of the blue whale generally weighs more than 500 kilograms. Then this is the example of report text. So I want you guys to try read this example. I think I will choose one of you. Friska, can you read this? Friska, you're there?
Yes, Miss, I'm here.
So can you read in the first paragraph?
Okay, Miss. Venice. Venice is a city in northern Italy. It is the capital of region Veneto. Together with Padua,
Padua. Yes.
together with Padua, the city is included in the Padua-Venice metropolitan area. Venice has been known as the Queen of the Adriatic, city of water, city of bridge. The city stretches across 117 small islands in the marshy Venetian lagoon along the Adriatic Sea in northeast Italy.
Okay, thank you, Friska.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, the next paragraph. Wildan, can you read it?
Okay. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. The second paragraph, I will read. The Venice is the world famous for its famous for its channels. Canals. It is built on archipelago of the 170 islands formed by about 150 canals. In a slow legend, the islands on which the city is built are connected by about 400 bridges. In the old center, the canals serve the function of the rounds and every form of the transport. It's it on water or on the food. Then miss the second paragraph.
Okay, thank you, Wildan. Okay, so the next paragraph, I want Risma, can you hear? Okay, I think have bad connection for Risma. Wildan, are you want to read it?
Yes, I want to read
Okay,
the
thank
third
you.
paragraph. You can write you can write gondola there. It is the classical Venetian with new days. Is mostly used for tourists or for weddings, funerals of the ceremonies,
Or other ceremonies.
yes, and or other ceremonies. Now, most financials travel by
Motorized.
water, motorized water bus, favorite which pay regular routes along the major canals and between the city islands. The city island also has many private, private, sorry.
Private.
The city also has many private boats. The only gondolas still common used by financials are the trickle tea for food, peasants ferries crossing the canal at Curtain Point without bridge. You can see the almost cities that makes sort of Pizza and Marco. Blazzo Cartani del Popolo. Since S- since Mark Cathedral of Finland of the Veneto, the village of the Veneto, rural residences for nobles during the uh,
Republic.
Republic are one of the most interesting aspect or financial countryside. They are surrounded by elegant gardens, suitable for fanciful parties of high society. The city is also well known for the beauty and romantic view, especially of at night.
Okay, good, well done. Thank you very much.
Uh, I mean the village is very good is tonight because the view is beautiful and romantic woman.
Yes.
I get the last view.
Okay, so this example is about what? Is about animal or someone or tell someone or about what?
This is about someone maybe.
Why it's about someone?
Because this city is a beautiful city, can use in the view is very beautiful. So just island is beautiful and romantic.
Okay, okay, thank you, well done. I respect your opinion, but it's about the place. It's place in Venice. It's about the beautiful country in Venice. Have you any questions so far?
I'm so sorry. This Imam Shafi'i, what did he say?
Okay, I'm
Study,
gonna
you
tell
will
this if you
feel
have
the
no
point
any
of this
questions. So
stupid.
yeah, I think when you feel tired from all the process you are going to now and study, remember one of the most memorable messenger from Imam Shafi'i that if you cannot stand the fatigue of study, you will feel the fighting of stupidity. So yeah, so be fighting and
Okay.
strong. Okay, so I think enough for today. Thank you guys for coming. And wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
Waalaikumsalam
wabarakatuh.
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.